A recent study reveals an unexpected effect of alcohol on male fruit flies. It makes them more attractive to females, boosting their chances of mating. The research shows that alcohol consumption increases the male's release of chemical signals called pheromones that draw females to them. Fruit flies, scientifically known as Drosophila melanogaster, are naturally attracted to rotting fruit, which emits alcohol. This attraction to alcohol has puzzled scientists for some time, with theories ranging from seeking a euphoric high to using alcohol as a way of coping with rejection in the mating process. However, this latest research takes a different approach, suggesting that alcohol doesn't just serve as a tool for pleasure or distraction, but instead gives male fruit flies a reproductive edge. By drinking alcohol, the males can enhance their attractiveness to females, thus increasing their mating success. The study found that alcohol, particularly methanol, stimulates the release of pheromones in males, which are chemical signals that influence female behavior, making the males more appealing. While this might seem like an interesting or even amusing finding, it raises several concerns. First, the study implies that alcohol might have a stronger influence on behavior than we typically understand, particularly in terms of attraction and mating. The idea that alcohol can directly alter the chemical signals involved in sexual selection is troubling, especially when we consider how alcohol is often associated with risky behaviors and poor decision-making. This finding could encourage a narrative that alcohol plays a positive role in sexual success, which is problematic when considering the broader societal impacts of alcohol consumption, particularly in human contexts. Moreover, the study does little to address the long-term consequences of alcohol use, particularly in terms of the health risks associated with its consumption. Alcohol is toxic, and while the flies have mechanisms in place to avoid excessive intoxication, this doesn't negate the potential harms that alcohol can cause. If the study were to be extrapolated to humans, it might inadvertently promote the idea that alcohol consumption is a necessary or desirable factor in attracting mates, reinforcing harmful social behaviors related to drinking. Additionally, the fact that alcohol is a powerful attractant to male fruit flies in particular, especially those that have not yet mated, suggests that the natural selection mechanisms at play could be skewed in unhealthy ways. The fly's attraction to alcohol may enhance their reproductive success in the short term, but it also could encourage behaviors that lead to toxicity or other detrimental effects down the line. This raises an important question about the balance between immediate benefits and long-term health consequences, a dilemma that is all too familiar in human society when it comes to alcohol use. In conclusion, while the study offers valuable insight into the behavioral responses of fruit flies to alcohol, it also serves as a reminder of how easily alcohol can be misinterpreted or even glamorized in the context of mating and attraction. It's crucial that we carefully consider the broader implications of such findings, particularly as they could inadvertently promote risky behavior and disregard the harmful effects of alcohol consumption.